Hello everyone, how are you today? Let's begin quickly with IRCTC. This has been in a very nice uptrend. See, it comes back to the average every time, like a good one, and then this again has come back to the average over here. Now this continuation bar with this nice volume means that we could get more upside on this, very likely. So you could initiate a long position above 2654 with a stop loss at 2570. Target 1 would be at 2738 and target 2 would be at 2822, right? Moving on, the second name that I have for you today is Infosys. This one is an inside bar. As the inside bar has taken place inside an uptrend, preferably go long on this, and long above would be 1757 with a target of 1802, the short below 1712 with a target of 1667, right? The third name is, after Infosys, Canara Bank. I was waiting for a long position on this one. We had discussed a long entry, I think, on this date, but now the structure which is forming, the long was not triggered, if you remember, and now the structure has turned definitely to the downside, I think, for now as much. Now you could go short on this below 150.50, that is 150.50 with a stop loss of 156.8. Target 1 at 144.2 and target 2 at 137.9. And then there are the updates that I have for you. The first one is Indian Bank. This one was discussed on 10th of August and it did both the targets. The second target, that was on 116.5 was achieved on the 23rd of August. So about 9% in some 13 odd days, right? Next is Precision Camshaft, and this one was also a short position discussed on 16th August. It did the second target of 83 on the 23rd of August, right? So two successful trades here. As far as Easy Trip was discussed on this date, on the 2nd of August. It's been a pretty long time, about 22 days, but it went to the first target of 480. The second target was at 510, and it also almost did that because the high made on this particular day was 507. So it almost did the second target, but then turned back and went to the stop loss. So this trade is now also closed. So these are the new ideas and the updates that I have for you today. I hope you are liking the videos if I'm making. Please give a thumbs up, and I'll see you tomorrow again. Bye bye.